up, guys? Today we're going to destroy the go-kart. Oh, I mean disassemble. Anyway, let me get my tools. Let's get started. Probably start back here at the rear, taking the engine off and the rear axle, and then we'll go to the front. So let me get my tools and we'll get started. All right, we're on the rear of the go-kart. I'm gonna start with removing the engine. I gotta take the throttle cable off, and then some bolts, and then the chain. Well, actually the chain, then some bolts, and then we should be able to lift the engine straight up and off the go-kart and on to the next thing. Go down here and look what it's going to take to remove this throttle cable. Looks like just one flathead screwdriver bit. Might have to switch all over to the little tripod, so hold on. Alright, the cable is now off. We gotta go on to removing the engine. Unfortunately, this chain's so rusted, I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. But even if I found a master link, I think it'd be hard to get off. Well, so I don't know. I'm gonna try taking the master link off. I just found it, but if it ain't, when I loosen the engine up, I should be able to pop that loose, maybe. I don't know. We'll give it a good old try. After that, we can start loosening the engine up, take the engine off, then we can go on to the axle and drop everything off the axle, and then we can go on up front, take everything off. So stay tuned with me. So with the old chain off, let's start removing the engine and the axle. Alright, so we got the axle out the back, the engine out the back, everything out the back. Now it's time to go on to the front. We did have a visitor while the camera was off, and yep, that's a Scorpion. So let's go on to the front, start on the front, take these wheels off, tire rods, pedals, you know, everything. So guys, I think I want to rebuild that arm, spindle arm. This wouldn't be the first spindle arm I rebuilt. I will actually put a link in the description to an old video of mine where I actually made new spindle arms and welded them on. So be sure to check that video out. So this one's don't look too good. So we're gonna go ahead and probably rebuild the make new spindle arm on this side. Anyway, it's time to get on to pedals and the tie rods and the cable and, you know, stuff like that. So let me turn the camera around and we'll get started on that. Flip it on there and like it blue. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna end it here. There's a few more things that needs to come off. But I'll do that off camera to keep this video from getting too long. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And stay tuned for the next one where we'll be sandblasting and priming and getting ready for paint. So, anyway, guys, if you haven't already, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Later, everyone.